I'm going to share with you a quick way in which you can make $300 a week. I mean, extra income to which you possibly could use to probably pay, some debt, some bills, to put away for savings, save up for the vacation that you've been wanting to take for some period of time. We're talking about what if you could make an extra $300 per week, which equates to be about $1,200 a month. I'm sure a lot of people here in America could actually use that extra money. And this is, extra income that you can make outside of, let's say, your full-time job. So, and not just that, but you can do it in the evening time. I'm talking about trading during the Asian session when you come home from your 9-to-5 job and are ready to basically, kind of take a break, chill out, grab something to eat, possibly spend time with your family. And let's say you maybe have like 30 minutes somewhere after, once the market opens back up at 6 o'clock, 7 to 8, whatever the case may be, before you actually lay your head down to go to bed. I'm talking about maybe taking a 30-minute opportunity in front of the charts to see if you can scout and possibly make a quick 25 points or maybe even 12.5 points, depending on how many contracts you choose to trade. Now, trading the micro futures is a great opportunity for any beginner trader out there. And again, I'm going to share with you how you can make $300 a week trading in the evening during the Asian session, okay, before you even wake up the next day to go to work. All you need to do is simply understand a couple of things, but we're going to talk about supply and demand, or what a lot of people call as order blocks, okay? The strategy is very simple, not complex at all. I talk about this tons of times on my videos. I'm going to share with you a prime example. Yes, in this video, I'm going to share with you an example during the Asian session when the market opened back up, and what you could have taken, say, for example, a short opportunity. The key to understanding this concept or strategy is going to really boil down to market structure, understanding which way the market is moving. Are we trending higher or trending lower, where the market's either breaking structure, taking out highs, going to the upside, or breaking structure to where it is running lows to the downside? All right, so I always start off with the higher base chart. Now, I'm going to tell you this right now. I trade range bar charts, okay? So what we need to do, for me, I'm looking at a 120 range chart, all right? I know some of you may trade different chart styles, and that's nothing wrong with that, because the strategy of supply and demand or order blocks is it's universal. You can trade it no matter the market, and no time. It doesn't matter the time of day. Okay. Now, and this is universal. I mean, you can globally trade this no matter where you at across the world. Now, let's say this: if we have a bearish direction, you're probably saying, "Well, what does it mean, bearish direction?" A trend. That's one of the things you need to understand is about structure. Is if we are breaking structure, making new lows, you can see it taking out lows, taking out lows, taking out lows as it comes down, right? Each time the market comes down and makes a new low, we're breaking structure to the downside, all right? And this is actually a reversal because we have been pushing to the upside right here. We come down, we take this low out. We make a low, lower high, lower low. We eventually take out this low as well. We are breaking to the downside, taking out multiple lows on the 120 range chart. And I use this kind of a intermediate or a chart that I primarily place a lot of emphasis on, being one of my higher base charts, because I like to couple this with a 24 range chart when I'm trading the NASDAQ. Now, I'm talking about the NASDAQ in specific. You can use a strategy if you want to trade the ES, if you're interested in trading, gold, whatever it is, currencies, whatever it is that you want to trade. I trade in future markets, but it also works in other markets just as well. Okay, options, Forex, whatever it may be. I'm just here to share with you the strategy and how you can make that extra $300 a week. Okay, now that we know, we can basically look with our blind eye almost and see that the market is trending to the downside. We're just looking for opportunities. If we're breaking below lows, think about this. If we're breaking below lows, that's going to equate to look for opportunities or areas of supply. This is a supply zone that happened or appeared before the market actually closed. So the setup was there for the market close, but we really didn't retrace back to the high probability zone and react off of it until the market opened up, moving into the Asian session, which is the next session after the US session. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to mark up my higher base chart, okay? And which is that supply zone, and it's a high probability zone. You maybe have a question about high probability versus low probability. How do you know which is what? Listen, you can go to my channel in any particular topic or question you may have. Use the magnifying tool, which is the search tool, to kind of find what topics you're interested in. And I'm sure there's going to be some video content that I've covered that's going to surround it. So you can go into the homepage, use the magnifying tool, the search tool, and type in high probability, gaps or imbalances, and you're going to find some video content surrounding and talking about that specific topic on about high probability versus low probability. Now, again, I cover this strategy surrounding order blocks on my channel plenty of times, okay? But guys, I'm telling you right now, for all those that have a full-time job, they're interested in trying to make some money before they actually end up going to their work, this is a great strategy, okay? You're basically using multi-chart confluence, using a higher base chart to figure out structure, mark up the zone first on the higher base chart, and then just scale down to a lower base chart to find if this is a supply setup. I'm looking for a supply setup on my lower base chart or entry chart, which is, for me, it's going to be my 24 range chart. So say, for example, this right here, if I was to put this on all charts, which I'll do, and this was from, I believe, March the 11th. So we'll go back during that time period. We'll look at the lower base 24 range chart to see how we can find a scalp opportunity to possibly try to make 25 points, which is going to give us roughly $50 on one contract trading the micros, okay? Now, you can, or more, okay? So exactly like I said, we're trying to make at least $300 a week, right? So that's basically $60 on each trade. One trade a day will give you that extra $300 per week. Now, you could do that even quicker, meaning that instead of scalping for 25 points, you can actually trade 2 contracts on the micros and then look to try to scalp 12.5 points, which you probably get fairly quick and be out and done. All right, so here we go. Now, what we're going to be aiming for once the market rejects this area here into the opening session, whatever the case is, the Asian session, we're going to be aiming for the market to come down and take out this low. Now, it could possibly react right here first before pushing lower. But once it basically clears this area here, it's going to come down and more likely take out the low right here. So as we move down to the entry chart, that rectangle box we see right here, that is that higher 120 range supply area. Now, once the market opens up in this area, this time here, we're into pretty much the overnight session there. We could just basically look for opportunities where the market pulls back to key areas of supply. This being that low, let's see here, where's it at? Right here, below 25,082.5, I believe it is. Let's see. Yes, right there. That we want the market to actually take out, right? So as you can see, what I'll do is when the market is breaking structure, moving to the downside, after rejecting off of the higher base, 120 range chart. Now I'm down on my 24 range chart. I'm looking for pullbacks to key areas of supply. Like there's a small little area of supply right here that I can take a trade from as it pushes lower, as you see there. Okay, then it pulls back. We pull back, push down some more. We break below that little low there. We don't quite pull back. This is low probability right here though, which is fine. So then we push down again. So we're looking for small little areas on pullbacks so where we can catch areas of supply where the market broke structure on the 24 range chart to continue taking the trade in the same direction as what's going on here. Bearish to the downside, taking the trade coming back down to at least break below that low right there. It's very simple, guys. It's not complex. We're just looking to follow in the direction of the higher base chart, mark up the zone first on the higher base chart. In this case here is supply, and then move down to your lower base chart to find an entry setup. All right. Now, as well, some things you can also do. Now, this I like to reference as the multi-chart confluence strategy. The more confluence that you have on your side when trading, like right up in here, this is a 200 round number. So if we have a high probability zone on a higher base chart, which the higher base charts are those I'm looking because they carry more weight, and being that this is a big significant area of selling right here, there's definitely more likely something going to happen here. Plus we're below the VWAP. Plus we were at the 25,200 round number area, which is another level to trade from. The more confluence I'm trying to say on your side that you have, the better the trade, or the better trade is going to work out for you in your own favor to move to the downside and take out that low right there. So that's all I'm looking for every single day. I do like to say this. I'm going to say I do like to take trades above or at low volume areas where if like this case here, just say a supply markup off the higher base chart, you see how the market went back, filled the imbalance, resting back up to this upside. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about imbalances or gaps, that's what makes up the difference of a trade setup being high probability versus low probability. I cover that. So please, in lots of videos, and especially like if you are an elite or an ultra elite supporter of the channel, which means you're part of the private membership community. And if you're interested in joining, I'll talk more about that towards the end because it's very inexpensive, guys. And a lot of people who a lot of people are finding much success in doing so. Okay, we do have a Discord. There's a link down below if you're interested in joining the Discord. It is free. But anyways, jumping back to this right here. See, above a high volume area, I don't like to take my trades directly at a high volume node area because the market likes to kind of ping pong around. At lower areas of volume, where that's basically telling me that volume is thinning out and it's got confluence at that area, more than likely the market's going to reject that and continue moving in the same direction which we're trending in, which is to the downside. So hopefully that makes sense. Really, guys, I'm telling you, you only have to really make like 12.5 points if you're trading 2 micro contracts, or maybe just slightly above that to get the $60 mark, because 60 times 5 is what, $300 a week. So, but you can definitely do so. You can make $100 a day and be at $500 a week, but it's just up to, what your goal is, whatever the case is. But I'm just here to share with you how easy it is to make an extra $300 per week, way before it's time to even go to work the very next day. All right. And eventually you may become so great at doing this to where this may become your full-time job, in which you can actually leave that 9-to-5 job behind. So before your job starts the very next day, here's a way to make some extra income on the side off the clock. Okay. So hopefully this video really resonates and points out some pointers or some advice that can help people understand a systematic strategy that actually works. I trade every day. There are people that are part of our Discord community that trade every single day. And come over and join us. I mean, it's free to join the actual Discord. There is a link within the Discord, or a testimonials channel there, where you see people leaving testimonials about, how well the strategy has been working for them, how they have converted from, or converting from time-based charts to range-based charts. I talk about the reason why I trade range charts versus anything else. But a lot of people are making that shift because range charts provide to me a lot more opportunity, but they're clinging to the eye just as well. All right. Now, if you're interested in more information about the private community, becoming part of a member of that community, I don't have a trading course to offer, or a mentorship program, but what I do have, which is all part of the YouTube membership program that YouTube allows content creators like myself to provide a membership-based program to where you can become part of, for very, very inexpensive. But what you receive is lots of valuable information through the means of video content that I share. Say, for example, if you choose to become an elite supporter, you receive all of my trade breakdown videos. These are trades that I actually post on the Discord, and then I'll go back and I'll break them down for that community, that private community of all the elite and the ultra elite supporters. That's where I go into detail about these setups. Tons of video content, setup after setup after setup, breaking down structure, talking about top-down analysis, looking at price action, talking about the trades that I take and breaking them down in detail so you understand the strategy as a whole, so that when you're back testing and forward testing the strategy yourself, you can find setups like this just like it. Okay, because it's not complex. It's just using multi-chart confluence, moving down from a higher base chart down to a lower base chart, finding setups where the market is moving in the same direction. That's all it is. Okay, but you receive all my trade breakdown videos plus the video playlist and a great video surrounding market structure, that is the most important concept if you ask me in my book. Okay, all that for $6.99 a month, which breaks down to be 24 cents on the day. Think about it. $6.99. How much do you spend on coffee every single day? How much do you spend on eating out for lunch or breakfast every single day? Add that up per week. Here's something for $6.99 a month that could be game changing for how you look at the markets and how you actually trade. Now, again, I cannot guarantee anything to anyone out there, because everybody's perspective of how they trade, what they're doing, what they're looking for, their past habits, new habits they may have. You got to shake things, and you got to understand, that no one person is the same. That's why I can't guarantee anything. But there are tons of people who are doing extremely well using this same strategy. Some are still with the community. Some have gone. I don't expect everybody to stick around, okay? Seriously, once you learn something or you understand something, use it to your advantage, move forward, and pass it on. That's all I expect, okay? I want to see people succeed, so that's why I make this video content and sharing this information. Now, if you want to take it one step up, you can become an ultra elite supporter, and become to where you receive all the information or all the content and videos that I just talked about. And plus you receive my live recorded trading session videos. That's where I record my sessions. And then I'll post that content for the ultra elite supporters. So they get, one additional thing in reference to, but that's why I'm going into detail about top-down analysis in the session. walking across multiple markets, whether it's gold, the ES, or the NASDAQ, looking at structure, price action. You see me take setups within the market. Like today, I made a live recorded trading session video, and I posted it for the Ultra Elite supporters so they can get access to that as well. That way you can see me during that day's time when I was trading. You can watch that video, and it covers the session showing you, the setups I take, and I talk about, TP, profit target areas, stop loss placement, structure, the things that led me up to taking that trade, my mindset behind each one. Okay, the choice is yours. There is a link down in the description portion of the video. It's titled Elite and Ultra Elite Supporter. If you're interested in joining, once you click it, give it a few seconds, you'll see the tiers within the membership program through YouTube. It's say Elite and Ultra Elite. So the choice is yours. It'll point out the price tag and also the perks and rewards that you receive for each one. Okay, but that's all I really have, guys. That's all I really want to share today. But I appreciate everyone who's been following the channel. If you have not taken the time to sub, please do so by clicking the subscribe button right now. Make sure that you turn your post notifications on by clicking the bell. And last but not least, if you found some value in today's video, make sure to drop me a like by clicking the thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll see everyone in the next video.